What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we are riding with a few people. This is Tony. Got Brandon in front of us and another Brandon. You guys already missed it. We got pulled over already. Well, other guys got pulled over, but you know, good start. So now we're just cruising, hopefully. And I'm trying to keep up. That wind is crazy. I thought you blew by that trash can and blew the lid open. Baby shark doo 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 doo, baby shark doo 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 doo, baby shark, daddy shark doo 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 doo, daddy shark doo 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 doo. Yeah, you're telling me about the whole downshift and upshifting.
I know.
I'm all the way in fourth gear, my highest gear, and then then everybody starts to slow down.
I know. It's partially because of Tony, because he only got a ride with a group.
Well, not only that, but I feel like he's trying to be somewhat legal and not break the speed limit too much.
Well, no, I know that, but I mean, like, we're gonna get like backwards like this.
Yeah. True.
I get it. The situation, but all good. Ain't no thing.
Any geese here? Geese here will walk right up to you. I guess there's no geese. Okay. I guess
My cheeks hurt.
same. Going right. You got everybody?
Come on, Tony.
Alright, I'm slowing down.
He's coming.
Bicycle, bicycle. Get a grum. Anybody know the speed limit? 40. Oh, that's a big hole. Watch that hole on the right. I killed switch track and he didn't even realize it. He's freaking out. He's freaking out. Did he figure it out?
Yeah, he's good. He couldn't get it unstuck, so, and, like, staying running. We're stuck there for the hot minute.
I killed switch Zach and he didn't know it. I killed switch Zach and he didn't even know it. Blah, 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 blah. Are you behind us? How did you get? What? Shoulder. my little moped. Alright, so guys, I don't know if you can hear it, but my exhaust came off. And I'm going to show you what it sounds like at an idle. It sounds so funny. It sounds like droplets. It's like bloop, 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 bloop.
I think you all got fuel leak.
Yeah, for real. That's great. I love it. Can I just keep it like this? Look at them flames.